So now we are quite clear on how to start the Wiremock standalone server. So there are few options available to use in the as a command line option, where you need to suppose start the Wiremock server on a particular port, right? Or you might be need to start on a HTTPS port and disable the HTTP. So other than that, there are quite plenty of other options also available, which you can use according to the requirement. So we will be discussing that in our upcoming sessions as and when required. So first, let's discuss how you can start the server on a different port other than 8080, and then we will move toward the using an HTTPS port and disable the HTTP, right? So let's begin. So now again we will move to the folder directory where we have the Wiremock standalone jar, and we will open the command prompt or the PowerShell window, and we'll simply write java -jar Wiremock standalone jar. Now here we need to mention the port number. This port is the option which is available, and we just need to mention the port. So suppose I need to give port 9090 and press enter. Now the server will start on port 9090, right? Similarly, if you want to start a server on the HTTPS port, suppose you want to use the you want to use the Wiremock over the secure network. So in that case, we have another option. So let's first stop this, and so now let's see how you can run the Wiremock server on an HTTPS port and disable HTTP. Now we'll do the same process again. We'll write java -jar Wiremock standalone, right? Now we'll mention this option, disable -http, and let's see what happens now. So here what it says, this is an illegal argument. Why? Because if we are disabling HTTP, right, it is understood HTTPS must be enabled, then only HTTP can be disabled. So let's do that. Now we use this option, and next we will do is HTTPS port. You can use any port here. So now it has started on the port 6217, and now 8080 port is not binded to the Wiremock. But if you will run directly on the port as using just this command, HTTPS port 6217, right? So it will run on both 6217 and 698080, the same instance you can access over HTTP and HTTPS, right? So that's how this works. So in the next session we will discuss some more interesting things about Wiremock. So let's begin.